Good morning, day 9 on the construction. Yesterday we had big rain in the afternoon, and if you look my shoes, the earth is really sticky mud. So yeah, it's not good when it's raining, then it's hard to work, but it will dry up quickly. But I have reported rain also today in the afternoon, so we'll see what we do. Okay, let's head down to the caretaker house and see what they have done yesterday. Well, the first thing they need to do was to redo the stairs because it's really wet, so everything fell down, so they filled in some gravel. So let's hope it's hold until it dries up. And then we have the cement mixer, and yesterday we had a problem, and I think we don't have a problem today. A leak or no? I don't think so. There was a leak. Okay, I'll try to show you. Here on the back side, they were in rubber fittings here, but this engine is shaking so much that everything shakes loose. So it actually made a hole in the steel because of the vibration. So I put on some glue, and it looks like that is okay. So we need to make a system where the fuel tank is hanging off the engine because it's really shaking. And it looks like they didn't clean the mixer yesterday when the rain came, because now there's stuck cement inside. But I hope they will get it out. Alright, so what they did yesterday is to make the walls this is under the house, under the foundation. There's no support on this one. It only holds the earth inside or under the house in place. The weight will be supported by the tie beams. So they have done all the way around here and up to this corner. They are working on it, and the two beams we poured this yesterday, so we haven't come so far to connect them, but they're gonna do that today for sure. So, and then we started on the first tie beam. And normally in the Philippines you will pour the tie beam and then you will put walls, hollow blocks on top up, and then later you will make the flooring of the house and then put cement. But I like to do it a bit opposite. We make all the tie beams and then we will pour the complete floor of the whole house in one pour. That is my plan. Today, this is the tie beam, tying the beam under the floor, and it's made out of 16 mm and stirrups, then 2 in 5 centimeters, 4 should be 4 in 10. Okay, 2 in 5, 4 in 10, and 4 in 15, and the rest is 20. But what they did, we have extra support in the beams. you divide the beam into 4, what they call L4. So let's say this is 3 meter long, so then divided into 4 is 75 centimeters. So what they did, they put 2 steel bar, 1/16 mm all the way on this side and 1/16 all the way on that side. But that is wrong, because what you do is you put it from the column and you divide it into 4 as a 75, then add and you bend it down a little bit, 75 and a little overlap, and you bend it down so it sticks like this, huh? And you do the same thing on the other side, 75 and out and then down, and then you have 1.5 meter down, which if the one goes down here, okay, I'm trying to put one goes down there and then the bottom ends here and comes up like here, so it's yeah. And that they did not do, because when you put forces on the beam, if you put really heavy forces on the beam, the concrete is super strong where you push here because it's compressed, but here it's not compressed, it's the opposite, so you need extra support. Same if you put a lot of pressure on the beam here, the stress will be here, so you need here on top extra support, and then in the middle, in the bottom, and then again on top you need extra support. But they will correct it now, so it will be good. It's afternoon on day 9, and we just had a meeting with the electrician. He was here and yeah, he said they'd help us with electricity, and so he come back tomorrow already, and he will help us get electricity. Probably apply for a not permanent construction permit for in the beginning, and just then later transfer it to a normal permit. And let's go down again. Our foreman had made steel construction here for the mixer, and now the diesel tank is on its own, so hopefully it's not going to be shaken apart. And yeah, looks good. Looks like it's gonna work. And the guys here are still working on the tie beam, so I need to get some what we call the crocodile board. That is boards with plastic coating they use when they make the forms, and about 30 woods maybe. That's about it for day 8. We are now going to go and get some copies for building permit and building drawings for the electrician who apply for electricity. So thanks for today. See you tomorrow, Saturday. Today is Friday.